me like a Hellcat.
Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial video, and today I will give a tutorial on how to jump on Roblox like this, because I've seen that many people are suffering and struggling right now when I jump on Roblox. So I'll give a tutorial on how to jump on Roblox like this. So yeah, if you're in a game on Roblox right now, you don't have to do this, but you can do it if you want to. So yeah, quit Roblox and I can show you on how to do that. So search up piece. I'm gonna give you an example on how to do that. So it doesn't matter which keyboard you're using. I think jumping works on all types of keyboards. But yeah, I'm gonna show you on the keyboard I'm using. This is my keyboard. It's so epic and swaggy. So you see this long button, that's the space bar or the space button. It doesn't send you to space, so yeah, just turn that to some people who are worried. So yeah, if you want to jump on Roblox, press that button. I can go back to the game and show you. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's loading. So yeah, remember, press this. I'm gonna show if this loads. John Cena, it's so funny. But yeah, remember, press this long button. I can show you what's it called again? Specs of a PC keyboard. I'm gonna give you an image of a spec of an So yeah, that's that's how almost every keyboard are built. It's like that. Yeah. Yeah, the specs of a keyboard. Yeah, here they are. Yeah, that's the specs of a keyboard. Here's the tutorial. And I'm gonna show you what a keyboard looks like again. Yeah, here's all the specs of a keyboard. Here's how it is. It is how everything works and stuff. Yeah, we're gonna do that and stuff, and then yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show. So yeah, remember, press this long button right there on the keyboard, on the PC one. Not a keyboard which plays music, if anyone's wondering. So yeah, what you're now gonna do is press it, and you probably did it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you really like the tutorial. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Yeah, goodbye.